Welcome back to the Science Channel. We are going to learn today about living tissues. Living things or organisms can be divided into two main types as plants and animals. So, let's study further about the structure of them under plant tissues and animal tissues. As we know, the structural and functional unit of organism is cell. Some of organisms made up of only one cell. We know them as unicellular organisms. But in plants and animal bodies composed of different type of cells together. They are multicellular organisms. Here you can see the organizational levels in multicellular organisms. Cell, tissue, organ, system and organism. A group of cells together known as tissue. A collection of tissues form an organ. A collection of organs form a system. And system collectively form an organism as plant or animal. In this lesson, we focus about the tissues deeply. Then what do you mean by tissue? A group of cells with a common origin that has been modified to perform a specific function in the living body is known as a tissue. There are two methods in cell division as meiosis and mitosis. Cell division needs to multiply the number of cells in living bodies. Based on the ability of cell division, plant tissues can be divided into two types as meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. In this video, we discuss about meristematic tissues in plants. You can define the meristematic tissues in this way. The tissues that divide actively by mitosis to produce new cells are called as meristematic tissues. These cells are not differentiated. The growth of plant takes place due to the action of meristematic tissues. Meristematic tissues are present in specific locations of the plant. Therefore, there are three types as apical meristems, intercalary meristems and lateral meristem. There are the three main types of meristematic tissues. I told you previously there are specific locations of meristematic tissues in plants. Here you can see the microscopic view of longitudinal section of root apex and longitudinal view of a plant shoot. The growing part of the root is soft and lighted color and has cells with the ability of cell division. Not only in root apex, the shoot system of the plant has meristematic tissues which help for the plant growth. Let's identify the location of meristematic tissues in plant and the functions of them. The first type of meristematic tissue is apical meristem. Apical meristem are found in shoot apex, root apex and axillary buds. Plant increases its height due to the activity of this tissue. The second type is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristems are found at nodes. The length of internode increases due to the activity of intercalary meristem. They are found in plants of mostly grass family and bamboo plants. The function is increases the length of internodes. Lateral meristem is the third type. Lateral meristems are present laterally in the stem and roots of plant. They are found parallel to the longitudinal axis of plant. The diameter of the plant increases due to the activity of this tissue. Cambium tissue found in dicot plant is a lateral meristematic tissue. Now it is clear to you the common function of meristematic tissue is growth of plant, as by increasing the height of plant and the length by increasing the length of internode and increasing the diameter of the plant stem. Now You can see here features of meristematic tissues. They are small-sized living cells and distinct nucleus can be seen in each cell, and also absence of large central vacuole. Normally, a large central vacuole can be seen in plant cell, but in meristematic tissues, absence of large central vacuole. Presence of large number of mitochondria. Mitochondria help to produce energy inside cell. So, meristematic tissues reason for the growth of plant. For that activity, there are large number of mitochondria in meristematic tissues, and no intercellular spaces can be seen in meristematic tissues. Those are the features or characteristics of meristematic tissues. We'll be back with second video of plant tissues about permanent tissues in plant. Subscribe and join with us to get notifications. Good luck.